Hello, everyone. Today, I wanted to take a few minutes of your time and show you a way that you can create a slideshow video of different photographs that you have that will help you showcase your images of poison dart frogs. If you're like me, you love the pictures of them, but you want a great way that you can share what you've taken. So, the site I want to show you today is by Adobe, and it's called Spark, Adobe Spark. But you go to spark.adobe.com, and I just signed up for the free personal account, which means that videos I make will have the Adobe Spark logo on them, just to watermark them to show that they made them there. You can, of course, pay for a subscription, but I don't want to do that right now. So I've gone ahead and started a project, and I want to just show you sort of what I've already done, and then show you how you can really easily add things to the video to really make it your own, and then how you can either download a link that you can share out, or how you can actually get embed code to put this into a website of your own. So I've started this project called The Beauty of Frogs, and I'm going to go ahead and go into the edit. So when the slideshow opens up, it usually loads with some pages down at the bottom already, and it starts off with just blank pages. Sometimes they'll have prompts on them. I actually used a pre-made template from Adobe Spark called Show and Tell, because I knew I wanted to create a slideshow video of images that I just wanted to share out. So some features of Adobe Spark that are really nice is you can choose your theme. So over here on the top right, there's different themes that you can use. And I've chosen noir because I wanted that dark background behind the frogs so that the frog pictures would stand out. But they all have different fonts. And then when you choose your theme, as you can see I've chosen noir, I can change the color of the font on the screen just by choosing the different options here. And so you could have just white text on the black. I thought this light blue was a nice color, so I went with the light blue on the background. But you can see you have a selection of options that you can choose. The other thing you can do is on every slide, you can create create a narration for that particular page of your presentation. So I have pre-recorded a little intro to my slide presentation, and I'm probably not going to narrate the rest of the slides. So I don't want just dead air while people are watching my slideshow. So another great feature of Adobe Spark is you can use music. So they have a lot of different built-in music already that's free to use, or you can see here you can add your own music. So I chose Woodland Jam since I'm using frogs and mostly found in the woodland. I thought it was a nice touch. And the nice thing is if you do narration, it'll play over the top of the music. So it's not an either or. Both things can be incorporated. So let's just sort of look at some of the features of the tool right now. So I've already loaded in some slides. So I wanted to show you on this one, when I first put it in, it was the frog picture itself was too big. So let me show you what it looked like at the start. It was actually it looked like this on the screen. And I was like, well, you can't see the frog's head. I don't love that. You don't have a lot of size manipulation options. You can only zoom in or zoom out, really. But you can easily use this tool to zoom out to the point where you can see your picture displayed in the best possible way. And then it just saves that automatically. You don't have to do anything else. So then I have a few more images here. I've gone ahead and preloaded some things in here. And then I come to a blank slide. When you get to a blank slide, you have some options. You can see you can actually upload a video that would play here. You can just put text on the screen. You can add a photo, or you can add an icon. So I've been just adding photos. And when you click on the photo option over here on the right, you have different options for adding photos. You can actually go and do a search for Creative Commons licensed images. So if you need an image that you don't already have, you can go and search the Creative Commons for the image that you're looking for. Or in my case, I have some images already saved on my Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my Google Drive. So they're saved under this account. And as soon as the Google Drive connects, And now here you can see I have my Google Drive, and so I can click on that and it's going to pop it open. And then I can go into whichever folder I need. And I can choose, you can see it shows you the different images that you have. And I thought it'd be kind of cool to put an image of what the eggs of a poison dart frog look like. Since they don't stay in the water, they are actually stuck to the bottom of a leaf. And so it's going to upload that image. And then I thought also I would like to put in an image of the tadpoles. So again, I'm going to upload a photo. So you can see there's two different ways that you can go. You could click directly on your Google Drive, or you can do upload a photo and it'll just open your options there. Since I didn't actually title my photos, I'm going to go back to Google Drive. And that way I can get that preview, and I can go and I can get an actual image based on what I can preview. Great, and I'm happy with the way that looks. So now I have all of the images that I'm going to include just in this particular presentation. So it's going to be kind of short, but I also want the images to last for a little longer. So these I've already set so that they'll stay on the screen for 4 seconds. So I want my 2 new images to also stay on the screen for 4 seconds. So this is just a very easy slider tool. You click on the time and you can choose, up to 30 seconds. I'm going to set it for 4 because that's how long my other ones are on for. And then I'm going to change this one. You do have to change them one at a time, which is a little bit time consuming, but it's not terrible. So you can see it's another way of sharing the photographs that you've collected, photographs you've taken of poison dart frogs, or really any subject. There's a lot of different already pre-made templates that you can use. This is really aimed not just at the fun user, but also at the commercial users who might be wanting to build a business. So once you have the video set and it's the way you want, I could go back and I could add narration on any of them. I could put in text over the top of the pictures in order to share an idea. I could add a text box here so that I could say, Ruby Red Beauty. And so then I would have some, text over the top of the images. So you can do some choices. We can move the text down so it's not right over the top of the frog, which is a nice feature. So once you have it all finished and it's the way you want it, you have a few options for what you can do next. You can actually download it, and it will download to a location of your choosing as an MP4. So that would be great if you just wanted to send it to people. Or what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to do publish. So you have a choice here now of either getting a shareable link so that you could just paste that link onto a site and people could go over to the video, or what I wanted is using the embed code. I want to copy the embed code because I'm actually going to embed the finished video into a website. So I hope you have found this video informational, and I hope that you have some fun playing with Adobe Spark. Thank you very much.